Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a curry veggie, curry veggie. And today I'm going to change one way on how I previously used to do, which is I'm going to use a special broth to make this dish. So this is the broth I'm actually using. I pre-boil some 2 liters of radish, radish broth here. So I'm going to use radish broth to cook the veggie curry today. As to what you can put inside your veggie curry, no rules in Appa kitchen. You can put anything you like. I'm putting in, this is my wife's favorite, the tau pok, I have some tau pok. And this is also my wife's favorite here. This is the brinjal, some lady's finger, and cabbage, and a bit of carrot. Actually, yesterday while Appa is cutting carrot, I also cut my fingers. Well, quite a very bad cut. Then how are we going to prepare the curry? We will mix our own curry paste here. I have 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and also 1 tablespoon of ready mix. This is the this is the fish curry powder, So 1. If you prefer more reddish in color, you can use 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Then here I have some curry leaves, some minced garlic, ginger, and also shallot. And here I have some tomato chunks. Of course, you will need coconut milk. So first of all, we are going to make the curry paste. Give it a good amount of oil. And let's heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the fresh herbs. Today Appa is a bit chat because I actually sliced off part of my finger and also fingernail. Have to go and see doctor yesterday. I think it will take a few months to recover. So kitchen is a very dangerous place, so please be very mindful and be very careful, So saute this for a minute or two before we continue. Once you start seeing it started to brown, this is the time you can tune down the fire to lowest fire, because we are going to add in the powders, The powders can get burned very easily. So always put in when it is in a very low fire. Then only you can slowly raise the heat. So I have been using various methods to build the base flavor of this curry veggie, but I never feel satisfied. I have used dried shrimp before. I have used my Cooking Appa chicken stock before, or I don't find it good enough. So today Appa is using radish. Let's see how it goes. It should be very good. Now we can slowly raise the heat to a medium low. Still don't make it too high heat. As I said, curry powders can get burned very, very easily. Some more I'm using stainless steel wok today. It can get burned even easier. Keep on sauteing for like at least 3-4 minutes. Usually they will saute until the oil started to break, To me, about 3-4 minutes is good enough. I see a bit of smoke coming up. Definitely too hot. Very quickly, I lower down the heat. Be very patient with this step, If you're not careful, sure you will get burnt. We'll come back shortly. Right, this is after about 3-4 minutes. Good enough. I'm going to pour the radish soup. So today I'm going to make a very watery version. Actually, the last time I make it too thick. My wife doesn't like it. So actually, she's right. For this curry, it should be very watery. So let's bring this to a boil. We'll come back shortly. Now I must admit that 2 liters is actually too much broth. I think 1 to 1.5 is more than good enough. But I got I will keep some extra one for tomorrow. We are going to fry bihun and eat together with the bihun. All right. So you don't really need 2 liters. 2 liters is a lot. I just look at it. This is a lot. The broth itself is a lot. 1 to 1.5 more than enough. So once you see started to boil, we can actually start to giving some seasoning. Inside, I already have radish. We already have one veggie inside. Oh, look at the beautiful color. How you can get beautiful reddish color is really depending on how fresh is your red chili powder. Now, from my experience, I always buy the smaller packet, the smallest packet red chili powder I can get, so that all my red chili powder will be very, very fresh. Let me see. So let's start giving it some seasoning here. I'm going to give it some salt, a bit of light soy sauce, or you can use fish sauce also can, and some sugar. Now you can put in the veggie. This is the tomato. And all the rest, just throw it in. Appa is really a bit cha-cha today. It should be very watery. My wife is right. Veggie curry should be very watery. I'm going to dilute some of the coconut milk and put in the diluted coconut milk right now. Alright, this is the diluted coconut milk. I still find the broth a little bit too much, so since this is home cooking, I don't mind, but when you cook at home, don't use so much broth. You can keep some of the broth to make some soup, yeah, because radish broth can be cooked into soup very easily. Right now, just let's bring this to a boil. Then let's cook all the veggie for probably about 5 to 10 minutes. Then we do some adjust to taste using salt and also sugar, then it is done. That's how simple it is. Look at how beautiful it is. Like I said, I'm going to keep some for tomorrow to eat together with my bihun, fried bihun. I'm using the lid to make it faster to boil. See, it's boiling now. And we have started to see all the curry oil, yeah, floating on top. So let's continue. Let it cook for another at least minimum 5 minutes. Mainly what needed a bit of time will be the brinjal. Yeah, the brinjal will need a bit of time. The rest will be quite fast. Of course, for the tau pork or tofu pork, the longer you cook, the better it absorbs all the curry broth. Alright, this is after another about 8-9 minutes, just to make sure the brinjal is cooked. Now we just put in the last portion of the coconut milk, and you can just adjust to taste using salt and also sugar. Now avoid cooking using this amount of broth because it's very difficult to control the curry flavor. It will become very, very much diluted. So now once I bring out to a boil, my veggie curry is ready to be served. I think I will need to give it a little bit more salt, and it is done. Maybe a bit light soy sauce. Okay, there you go. Here's my very simple video today. Actually now the flavor is better after I add in the last portion of coconut milk. I can drink the broth definitely. And I like drinking curry broth. So if you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.